Start.
Rich clear.
Hi friends, this is Urmil. Today we are going to learn something about leadership. I'll explain you some few points about leadership, how a leader is, what a leader should do, and lately I'll explain you the whole benefit of leadership, how can you do and run it very smoothly. First of all, a leader himself should have a vision, what he is clear in and what is there he wants to get through with every teammates. Second is, he should have the confidence to make the whole team work for himself.
Stop, Urmil. Now see, one feedback that we give to everybody is don't focus on one single person. Now you are targeting Mr. Dana. Get over it. सबको देखो. Yeah, carry on.
Sir, बहुत कुछ है, बहुत सारे पॉइंट सबको देखना है. हर एक पॉइंट में सबको देखना है.
अच्छा, ठीक है. स्ट्रैटेजी बना कर रखा है. ठीक है.
So I was right about building up the team, so that the vision can be, your vision can be being successful on that team. Another point is about once this vision is done, then there comes some problems which are happening in that process. So there should be a person who can, you should be a person to solve all the problems every point of time. Whenever the time has come and there are problems, you have to jump into it and solve it, so that this vision becomes smoother, the function becomes smoother, the team becomes smoother and relaxed, so that it can perform for your vision to get over it. The the last and foremost point is your team. You have to rigorously work on your team at every point of time, because there are sometimes ups and downs with the team. There are sometimes bad time, good time with the team going on. So you have to give them lectures, or you have to give them some trainings. You have to educate them, right? As rightly you said, educated them. So these are the things for which you can achieve what your goal is as a leader. Coming to the next part. And the very major which leader has to do is motivating people who are working with him for a longer time, as well as a fresh staff who has joined him for completing his vision. So motivating is again a very good things to do with the staff to get your own vision. Are there any questions, Mr. Tanna?
How we can motivate staff?
There are different ways of motivating. First, you have to identify what the staff is all about. What category he means. What categories he is in.
Means that.
Means.
See, motivating is, there are few different things of motivating your staff. Like, this person is very good. Just you need to push us back and say, okay, you have done a good job. Because sometimes that staff is only he is willing to take a good.
How will recognize that we want a good staff?
Sir, that is what you do it from day one when he joins you. You have to know how your staff is. Once you experience the staff, you come to know कि हाँ इसको मैं कैसे
That's the quality of the leader which he should understand.
What he is doing, as becoming a leader. So उसको मालूम रहना चाहिए कि इसको मैं कैसे मोटिवेट करूँ. मेरे पास अगर ये टीम 1 2 3 4 जन है, तो I can't apply all the rules to one. सबको मतलब वो बोलते हैं ना, एक ही लाठी सब भैंस को नहीं चलती. वैसा है, किसी को प्यार से बोलना पड़ता है, किसी को डांट के बोलना पड़ता है.
मतलब पहले पूछना चाहिए क्या चाहिए.
नहीं, वो तो आपको जज करना है. As becoming a leader, you have to judge it.
बोले मुझे दूध चाहिए.
क्या चाहिए तो मैंने.
Any questions? More questions?
Nothing.
So I conclude my leadership points here.
जो क्वेश्चन सब आंसर आ गए.
Okay.